Welcome to downtown Ithaca. This is Seneca Street. That's the Seneca Street bus line, and we're here today to see a special apartment on the back side of Common Studios. It's Common Studios T. It's the only studio in the building. Let's take a look. Welcome to the back side of the building. You can see this is a ground floor apartment. Its entrance is also located to the back of a lot of the different restaurants on Restaurant Road. Let's go on inside. Welcome to Common Studios. This is apartment T. And this is a neat studio right here in the heart of the Commons. You'll see our kitchen. We have an oven, a dishwasher, a microwave, and a full-size fridge. And then on into the bathroom. On into our nicely redone bathroom. You'll see a great tiled shower with vanity. One unique feature of this apartment is it has 3 closets. Every studio is going to have 5 pieces of furniture. We have a dresser, a full-size bed, a bookshelf, a desk, and a desk chair. Thank you for joining us for Common Studios T.